Alan, where have you been? Alan, it's been a year since we've seen anything. Over a year since we've seen anything. I know. I know it has. And I'll tell you what, I'm just about as upset about it as you are. But this car market's crazy, okay? Do you know how hard it is to try and buy a car? I've been home for less than a week, 10 days for spring break. I've looked at 2 different cars. Marketplace. There's some animals on there, okay? And I'll tell you what, I'm trying. In this past year, what have I done? Hot Rod Power Tour. Got my Mustang running again. Took that on the Power Tour. Worked and school. And it's this time of life where it's all I can do. But here we are now. A project I have not spoken about yet. My dad's 74 El Camino. So today's video is a culmination of clips over the past week of us working on this frame. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you throughout it. So something we've been talking about is this part down here. This is where your trailing arm on the rear end comes in. And what we've been thinking is, because I covered it, but over on the other side we did a rust repair right here. So what we're gonna end up doing is just throwing a little bead down here, filling up in here, just trying to restructure some of these garbage 70s GM welds. So what we're gonna do now is get all the fire protection set, bring the welder over, and see if we can't burn something. I appreciate you.
Sweat. Not sweat. Katie sweat.
I wonder what Katie Sweat's doing on a day like today. A good Sunday afternoon. What do you think she's up to? They're working on this year's Derby car. I can imagine. Where in? We're in Toledo, and I got my gloves.
Your gloves.
I just had them. How do I lose them that quick? Well, what you? No. Oh, here you are. Oh! Why didn't you tell me they were over here?
You don't need to set one down.
No, just don't stare at it too close.
No, I mean the screens, but
Oh, they're over. They're doing the protection for the part that's. What? Unless I'm throwing behind me here to stop any of this, but
It's probably in front of you.
grab me, just grab me a pair of
Look, what's up?
something, yeah. Give me something, I can throw it right here.
That'll work?
I'll make it work, oh boy. Golly. Got a chest full of tools and I get a vice grip to do a flip job. Alright. Alright. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? Alrighty. You good in the peanut gallery? My fine sir. Good? I'm good to go.
Yeah.
Alright. Here goes nothing.
It's smoking. Right.
I do not know, my fine boy. Is it burning the insides? That's a great question. A great question. I don't have an answer. I truly don't know. You got a flashlight up here? There are like 6 of them. There is burning stuff, like flakes of something flying around, which kind of scares me. But only kind of. No man to man. It's probably gonna be hot. Watch out. One, two. Oh yeah.
You burned it off?
Didn't really burn it off, but good googly moogly. She is not happy that we got her hot.
What? Oh, it bubbled all this stuff?
It bubbled it and charred it.
Our coating.
Yeah.
We mean charred it.
It's like if you took a piece of metal, painted the face of it, and then heated up the backside. It looks like ash. It's really weird looking.
Should we, suppose it's,
I've never seen this on anything to be.
well, it's that coating now.
Yeah, and I guess I've never used this coating before. So yeah, you can look right in here.
Oh, yeah, it turned it gray.
Grate it.
And then on that wall, so,
Yeah.
yeah. You think we can always hit it?
No, even when we're spraying it, when we're doing the exterior here now, we can just, spray a little extra in there.
And
Throw a little dab we do in there.
in there at that. I think we'll be fine, don't you?
Yeah. Throw a little bit in there.
But I think you're.
Be dangerous with it.
That's good, isn't it?
Man, that is a booger in there.
You don't need to, I mean, you don't need to go any farther, do you? Or do you?
I don't know, I'm missing the tail of it. So, let's not let that pop up.
No. I mean, what you think? It's just that last half inch or whatever.
Yeah. Maybe it's a, like, do I just do it or do I, I mean, it's up to you.
Like you're in a box.
I'll just do
Don't
it
you
quick.
think?
Bless me.
Okay, bless you.
Wow. You let me do it first? Can't believe it. Alrighty. I'm gonna finish the tail of this thing here.
Or as in hindsight, I guess we should have done it first.
Well, hindsight is 20/20,
I mean,
and so is the worst year in existence. You know, that's life. Okay, I'm going now. If any part of you, where's my
I mean, again, it probably didn't need it.
Yeah, I mean, and it's the thing too is I can go absolutely crazy in here
No,
re-welding this stuff.
No,
I mean, I could, theoretically, I look at this, I mean, I could go in here, I could throw it in here, I could throw it down
No,
these
but
sides.
maybe it didn't even need it.
Do you have like a spray bottle out here that we can put water in to cool this thing down?
Yes.
Perfect!
Right here.
Almost like we've done this before.
Here.
Is that just water?
Yes.
Is it bleach? Can I
No,
drink
it's
it?
just water. What do you want?
I just don't want to get this fireproof thingy just soaking wet, so we're gonna do this and see if that helps. Oh, trust me, it is not. The boiling water I just touched told me so.
Oh. Totsy.
Oh, this thing is. Yeah, the littler of the two is going to be our best bet here. Thank you,
I'm gonna turn it on.
God, I gotta remove the tab on this thing. Things are most annoying. Little clips in here? Can never have any peace and quiet. I need my body. It doesn't have to, it just has to look like something. You good? appreciate you if you have stayed this long. As you can see, frame's painted. After all those short time lapses, a little bit of welding, we're here. And what does it mean that we're here? Is that we are ready to flip the frame over, because if you had a keen eye going, we didn't get the bottom side of this at all, because can't really do it with the stand we have going here. So the plan is get this thing flipped over, get the bottom side primed, coated, and then it's on to paint, and from there it's starting the rebuild. And you know, for anyone curious, I said yes, this is my father's El Camino, which not a lot showing here, but it was his first car. It's the kind of pride and joy of it, and he was lucky enough to have a son with the dying to build these things, and so now we're doing it. And it's a slow process. How slow? 5 years. It has been 5 years that we have torn this down, and I'll be honest, I'm sick of him not having it. The man deserves the world, and I'm ready to give it to him. So in and amongst everything else we're doing, in and amongst everything else I'm doing, and my hope of being able to bring more content to everyone watching, which I say that as it is now about almost 11:30 at night, and I will be waking up bright and early tomorrow to go back to school. Continue to keep going on this, keep going on fried chicken here come this summer. Maybe get some Mustang content going. Show you guys that a little bit. I don't think I've ever showed you that. And just kind of bring you along a little bit better this summer, because I didn't bring you along at all last summer, and I regret that, but it is what it is some days. So we will keep moving. I will keep bringing content as best I can to all of you. And until next time, everyone take care.